NASA's planet-hunting Kepler space telescope has been shut down after the malfunction of a stabilizing or reaction wheel. The Kepler space telescope was launched in 2009. Its mission is to monitor the brightness of stars for signs of orbiting planets. During operations, Kepler must use at least 3 of its 4 spinning reaction wheels to help it maintain its positional stability. One of the reaction wheels failed in July last year. A second wheel was found to have failed during a checkup on Tuesday, meaning Kepler is now out of action. Engineers are studying whether it is possible to operate Kepler using the 2 remaining wheels and the craft's boosters. Even if Kepler cannot be revived, scientists say it will still take around 2 years to analyze all the data Kepler has collected during its 4-year mission.